Technology constantly evolves. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how we work and live. AI is now used for creative tasks like writing stories. This new era of storytelling is exciting and offers new possibilities. Today, this guide focuses on using AI for film scriptwriting. We'll use ChatGPT, a powerful language model, and explore InVideo, a tool for creating professional videos. This guide will provide a step-by-step approach designed for both beginners and experienced writers. Whether you're a seasoned screenwriter or just starting out, AI can help you overcome writer's block, explore new ideas, and enhance your creativity. Let's begin our journey into the world of AI scriptwriting. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text, allowing you to have conversations with it, and ask it to write different kinds of creative content, including poems, scripts, and even musical pieces. For scriptwriting, ChatGPT is very powerful. It can help you generate ideas, write dialogue, and even help you format your script. ChatGPT is like having a writing partner available 24/7. To use ChatGPT effectively, you need to understand how to interact with it. This involves learning how to give it instructions known as prompts. The clearer your prompts, the better ChatGPT will understand you, resulting in more helpful and relevant output. In the next section, we'll explore how to set up the environment for scriptwriting with ChatGPT, ensuring a smooth and productive writing process. Let's get started. Before you start writing, take some time to prepare. This will make your writing process smoother. First, you need access to ChatGPT, which you can find on the OpenAI website. There are different subscription plans available, so choose the one that suits your needs. Once you have access, familiarize yourself with the interface. It's user-friendly. You'll see a text box where you can type your prompts, and an area where ChatGPT will generate its responses. Next, think about your script idea. It's helpful to have a basic outline. This doesn't have to be detailed. Even a simple idea will give ChatGPT something to work with. Remember, ChatGPT is your writing partner. It's there to help you develop your ideas. With your environment set up and a basic idea in mind, you're ready to start writing. In the next section, we'll delve into defining your film's genre and plot, crucial elements that will shape your story. Every film has a genre and a plot. These elements are the foundation of your story. The genre determines the type of story you're telling, whether it be a comedy, drama, or thriller. The plot is the sequence of events that unfold in your story. Clearly defining your genre and plot helps ChatGPT understand your vision, leading to more relevant and coherent script output. When thinking about genre, consider your target audience and your interests. What kind of movie do you want to create? For the plot, start with a simple beginning, middle, and end structure. What is the main conflict? Who are the main characters? What is the resolution? Once you have a basic plot outline, you can start thinking about specific scenes and dialogue. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can always make changes as you go. ChatGPT can help you explore different possibilities and refine your ideas. Now that we have a foundation, let's move on to the art of prompting ChatGPT. Prompting is crucial for effective interaction with ChatGPT. A prompt is an instruction you give to ChatGPT. It tells ChatGPT what you want it to do. The quality of your prompts directly affects the quality of ChatGPT's output. When writing prompts, be clear and specific. Avoid vague or ambiguous language. Use keywords related to your script. For example, if you're writing a comedy about two friends who start a food truck business, your prompt could be, write a funny scene where two friends argue about the name of their new food truck business. Notice how this prompt is specific. It tells ChatGPT the genre, comedy, the characters, two friends, and the situation, arguing about the name of their food truck business. This gives ChatGPT a clear direction to generate a relevant and engaging scene. In the next section, we'll delve into best practices for interacting with ChatGPT to get the most out of this powerful AI tool. Mastering the art of prompting is essential for successful AI scriptwriting. Interacting with ChatGPT is like having a conversation with a writing partner. To get the best results, it's important to collaborate effectively. This involves understanding how to provide feedback and iterate on ChatGPT's responses. Don't be afraid to give ChatGPT feedback. If If you don't like a particular response, tell it. You can say something like, "This isn't quite what I had in mind. Can you try writing it in a different way?" Or, "Can you make the dialogue sound more natural?" ChatGPT learns from your feedback. The more you interact with it, the better it will understand your style and preferences. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. You're still the writer and the creative force behind your script. Be patient and persistent. It might take some time to get the results you're looking for, but with practice, you'll learn how to effectively collaborate with ChatGPT and leverage its power for your scriptwriting. Section 7, From Chaos to Script, Assembling the Narrative. Once you have generated enough content with ChatGPT, it's time to assemble it into a coherent script. This involves organizing the scenes, refining the dialogue, and formatting the script according to industry standards. Start by reading through all the generated content. Identify the key scenes and dialogue that move the story forward. Arrange these scenes in a logical order that makes sense for your plot. Next, focus on the dialogue. Ensure that it sounds natural and believable. Pay attention to the characters' voices and motivations. Each character should have a unique way of speaking. Finally, format your script according to industry standards. Several screenwriting software programs are available, such as Celtx, Final Draft, and Fade In. These programs provide templates and tools to help you format your script correctly. With your script assembled, it's time to bring it to life visually. Section 8. Lights, Camera, and Video bringing your script to life. InVideo is an online video creation platform. It's user-friendly. It offers a wide range of templates and tools. This makes it easy to create professional-looking videos. You don't need any prior video editing experience. With InVideo, you can transform your script into a captivating video. You can add visuals, music, and voiceovers. This will help you visualize your story. It will also help you share it with others. In the next section, we'll walk through the process of using InVideo. This will cover everything from signing up to exporting your final video. Section 9. InVideo Unveiled, a walkthrough. Getting started with InVideo is easy. First, sign up for a free account on the InVideo website. Once you've signed up, you can start creating your video. Choose a template that fits your film's genre. InVideo offers a variety of templates for different types of videos. You can also start with a blank template and create your own from scratch. Once you've chosen a template, you can start importing your script. You can copy and paste your script directly into InVideo. You can also upload your script as a document. After importing your script, you can begin adding visuals. InVideo offers a library of stock footage and images. You can also upload your own media. Next, add music and voiceovers. InVideo has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects. You can also record your own voiceovers directly within the platform. Once you're happy with your video, you can export it. InVideo allows you to export your video in different resolutions and formats. Section 10. Mastering the craft final tips for AI scriptwriting. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of using AI for scriptwriting. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use ChatGPT and InVideo, the better you'll become at creating compelling stories. Here are some final tips to help you master the craft. Don't be afraid to experiment. AI tools like ChatGPT are constantly evolving. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. Get feedback from others. Share your work with friends, family, or online communities. Feedback can help you identify areas for improvement. Stay inspired. Watch movies, read scripts, and immerse yourself in the world of storytelling. Inspiration can strike from anywhere. AI is a powerful tool for scriptwriting. It can help you overcome writer's block, explore new ideas, and bring your stories to life. Embrace the power of AI and let your creativity soar.